How to fix the ChatGPT lagging problem on your computer. So if it's taking a really long time to generate ChatGPT responses, maybe it's super slow on your computer, but it's actually quick on a mobile phone, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is just go in, load up ChatGPT on your computer. You can then click on your profile name in the bottom left-hand side, and then click on Log Out. Now select the Log Out button. And once you've signed out of your account, click on the icon next to the address bar. You can then press Cookies and Site Data, click on Manage On-Device Site Data, and click on the trash icon next to ChatGPT. Once you've done this, press Done, and then you'll need to reload the page. You can then go and sign back into your ChatGPT account, and then you can check to see if it's still lagging. Now, if you're still having an issue, there is another way to solve this issue. So come over to your Start menu. You can then click on the Microsoft Store, use the search box to type in ChatGPT, and you'll need to go and download the official ChatGPT app. Now, if you're on a Mac computer, you can go and download this from the App Store. Now, once it's finished downloading, you'll need to open the official ChatGPT app. And once again, you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, there is one final solution. So typically what happens is if you have a long conversation on ChatGPT, this is what causes the app to lag. So what we can do is we can go and save all of this data, and we can go and start a new chat instead. So just go and type in, this chat has become too long and is starting to lag, so I need to migrate our progress to a new fresh chat. Please do this for me so I can paste a summary in a new chat window. You could then go and press enter, and now it's going to create a full summary of all of this chat history. You could then type in, please generate a full context and handoff summary that I can copy and paste into the new chat. This summary must be detailed but concise, and it must contain everything that the new AI needs to pick up exactly where we left off on the previous chat without missing anything. You could then go and press enter, and once it's finished generating this quick summary, you can go and use this to paste into a new chat window, and when you're using the new chat, it will have now fixed the lagging issue.